So you've heard me bring up the ThinQ app several times. When you combine the new digital LCD dial with LG's ThinQ app, you have the ultimate freedom from your laundry room. Once paired, you can easily customize your settings by removing cycles you don't need or adding additional cycle options. You can even pair your washer and dryer with smart pairing so that the settings from the washer transfer right to your LG dryer. Let me show you how. In this example, we'll be signing into the LG ThinQ app by creating a brand new LG account, or log in your preferred way. Now, once you're signed into your ThinQ app, it's time to add the new washer. The easiest way is to scan the QR code. Click Add Device and follow the prompts on the ThinQ app. Once paired, you'll start to receive notifications whenever a cycle is done. And now you don't have to keep checking on whether or not your washer or dryer is done. Just wait for a notification to pop up. Speaking of cycles, you can find a list of them available in the app to add to your machine, with new options being added all the time. With ThinQ Care included in the ThinQ app, you're going to get maintenance reminders like when it's time for a tub clean or an alert like a dryer duct might be clogged. Thanks to the ThinQ app, you now have all the information at your fingertips and the ability to completely customize your machine.